Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. There are more possible iterations in a game of chess than there are atoms in the known universe. The opposite sides of a die always add up to 7. It is totally legal to escape from a prison in Mexico. The longest music performance began on 5th September 2001 in a church in Germany and will end in 2640. Female kangaroos have 3 vaginas. Beer in Russia was considered a soft drink up until 2011. The China Highway 110 traffic jam lasted for more than 10 days. Cars moved at the speed of 0.6 miles per day. The elephant is the only mammal which cannot lift all 4 feet off the ground at the same time. The Greek national anthem, Hymn to Liberty, has 158 verses. In 1386, a pig was executed for the murder of a child in France. James Fix, who popularized jogging in USA, died of heart attack while jogging. Otters sleep holding hands. The world's oldest chewing gum is 5,000 years old. The largest snowflake was recorded to be 15 inches wide and 8 inches thick. Tarahumara tribe, aka super athletes, run 300 km at once. The world's deepest post box is in Susami Bay, Japan. It is 10 meters underwater. Forbes estimated Scrooge McDuck's wealth to be around USD 65.4 billion. The average lead pencil can be used to write a line about 56 km long, around 50,000 English words. 315 entries in the Webster's 1996 dictionary were misspelled. The Matani tribe of West Africa have a different version of football. Leonardo da Vinci could write with one hand and draw with the other at the same time. Guinness Book of World Records hold a world record as the best-selling copyrighted book of all time. Only one satellite has ever been destroyed by meteor. Potato chips cause more weight gain than any other food. Company sells bottled air from different parts of UK for 2,500. Elon Musk created a video game, Blaster, at age 12, sold it for $500. 20% of coffee mugs contain fecal matter. Alfred Hitchcock's Psycho was the first film to show a toilet being flushed on screen. The biggest crab in the world, the Japanese spider crab. Astronaut Eugene Cernan wrote his daughter's initials on the moon as promised. If he did not break, a glass ball could bounce higher than a rubber ball. Humans are also the only animals whose brains shrink. Japan will soon release 1 million tons of nuclear wastewater into the ocean because they don't have enough space to store it. Tesla spends $0 per year on advertising. Today, Tesla has the greatest car commercial of all time. If a person dies, his sense of hearing is last to go. Diesel vehicles can also be driven with normal edible oil. Johnson & Johnson stopped selling talc baby powder in US and Canada following cancer lawsuit. The Netherlands has more bicycles than people, approximately 1.3 per person. You are more likely to get a computer virus from visiting religious sites than porn sites. The Earth's ozone layer will make a full recovery in 50 years. People who appreciate dark humor are more likely to have higher level of intelligence. Kuwaiti guy married 4 wives in one wedding after his ex challenged him if he could find one woman to marry him. William Shakespeare invented the word swagger. Nearly 10% of all of a cat's bones are in its tail. In North Korea, it's year 109, not 2021. Thanks for watching.